Come on down to Hooters and you can see more of me, 2025 calendar girl.
Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
We're here at Hooters at the car show. I'm with
Honesty and Des.
and we're here with
Mike.
Mike. Do you like to eat chicken wings in your car?
Hooters has very good wings, but I wouldn't put them in my car.
Now, what kind of car did you bring today?
1906 Monte Carlo.
Nice.
Hi, my name is Mike Borowiak, and today I brought my 1976 Monte Carlo. I've owned the car since '98. I bought it used, right off the dealership front display. All original, except for the paint. I had it repainted in 2006. It took 2 years for them to paint it because it was work on consignment and it was the body shop. It was like a project that they needed to work on when they were low in the shop. So if there was money in the kitty to work on it, which there always was, then they would work on the car. So it took 2 years to restore it.
There you go.
It's a 305 engine, automatic. It has cloth interior, and it has swivel bucket seats. Everything is
really?
original except the carpet. The carpet was a little worn. So when the car was all apart, I said, could you put the carpeting in?
Right,
I'll show you how the seats work.
Sure,
too.
sure.
This is Bob Hoyt with Vintage Inspection Stickers. For that great final touch for your car, visit us at inspectionsticker.net for your Chicago City stickers of all years and vintage inspection stickers from all states. 708-567-5380.
Have you ever won a car show award here?
Once or twice, yes.
And maybe this year as well.
Hopefully.
Hey.
Yeah.
And go ahead.
Okay, so the car has swivel bucket seats, and I'll show you how they work. So most of the cars you lift up here and the seat goes back. Here, you pull this little lever down and the seat turns.
Oh, that is so cool.
It makes it easier to go in and out.
Right. Now I understand why you wanted them to, of course, we got to get them back to do that. That is so cool.
Yeah.
That is so cool. And then and then how many miles are on this car?
82,000.
Wow. And what was the condition like when you,
When I bought it,
yeah.
it was pretty much the same. It was,
was it? Okay.
It was always garage kept,
Uh-huh.
and it had some little rust on the bottom, way down
Sure,
here.
sure.
And when I got it repainted, the guy says the car was beautiful.
Right.
He fixed some of the that little bit of rust there,
Then you got the
and that was it.
classic rims, great trim.
I hope you can bring your car here for the next show.
Let's take a look at the interior
Oh,
here.
yeah. And that's the interior. The dash doesn't have any cracks in it,
Which is
which
right,
is
right.
really good. Yeah.
Right, that is so nice. That is so nice. And the thing is this thing is so clean.
Yeah, I
Clean,
keep it clean.
straight.
I don't think it's.
I don't mean that. I mean clean as far as body-wise and
Yeah.
straight as an arrow. So now, if we can take a peek at the engine, but before
Sure.
you do, I'm gonna look at this this grill,
Yeah.
and that is sweet. Go ahead.
Okay. I always go for the new cars and always look for the hood latch up front.
Mm-hmm.
But yes, there is. There is one up front here. And then I have to do this one. Do you want me to do that again?
No, you're fine.
Okay. And here's the engine.
Look at this. Look at this. It's like 50 years ago or 40 years ago.
Yeah.
That is so nice.
Thank you.
And everything works on the car, and
Yeah, even the air just
Uh-huh.
needs to be recharged.
every now and then, sure.
I did change it over to R134,
Something, right,
or something that is.
Right,
Um,
right. Wow. And so what about car show awards?
Oh, the awards, a lot of first, seconds, or thirds. Hopefully I'll get one today. You never know.
There you go. There you go. And
But yeah,
you know
always
what?
glad to show it.
I remember back in the day, what was cool when you would drive on the highway, you would always see these rings falling off.
Oh,
You know what I
really?
mean? And then
Yeah.
and I haven't seen that in a long,
No,
long time.
they're on pretty good.
There you go. There
Yeah,
you go.
even the center cap's on pretty good.
Cool.
You want to see the trunk too?
Absolutely. Why not?
The trunk, it should be a mat inside here. Are you still shooting? But I had it a little different because of car shows, so I had it all boxed in a little bit.
Right, right. That is really, really,
And that's
really
the
nice.
original spare.
Really, really, really nice. Really, really, really nice. Wow.
Thanks for watching.
All right, we're in front of this beautiful Chevy Chevelle, and that is one of the few examples you could see on the US classic muscle cars.
Come on down to Hooters and you can see more of me, 2025 calendar girl.
I hope you enjoyed the video.
Please like and subscribe.
We have inspection stickers from all years. We have the inspection sticker for your car.